Hello everybody, welcome back. We're back at it again with yet another video brought to you by yours truly, Erica Summer. Thank you for tuning in. You made it to Sunday. If you're watching this on Sunday or whatever day you're watching this on, I hope it's a good one. Basically, I'm back with another Zara haul for you guys today because I know how much you love them and I like to make you guys happy. Boom. So I wanted to bring you guys a spring Zara haul. Without further ado, let's jump on into this haul. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy it, as well as you all know what I want you to do next. Yes, that's right, is to subscribe for new videos released every single Sunday. So let's jump on into it. The first piece that I got from Zara that I'm going to be showing you guys today, blazer that I got, a size small, and it retails for $119. It looks black on camera, but it's actually, I want to say it's a little bit more navy. My eyes are just going crazy. It's a one button blazer. I got this one because blazers have been a huge trend this spring 2021 season. I wanted to jump on that train and get a nice oversized blazer. I really like this one because it is oversized, but it's fitted. You're not drowning in it. It doesn't look too oversized by any means. A beautiful balance between oversized and fitted at the same time. It does have some shoulder pads in there too, which I think is sweet. I like the one button vibe. The lapel is pretty darn good. It is a little bit more expensive. It's a blazer, so they are priced a little bit higher, and Zara, I think, did a really good job with the price point and the quality of it. Real stitching in there. The second piece that I got is this yellow knit little top. I got this in size small. It retails for $29.90. I got this because another massive trend has been wearing things that are like pastel colored as well as knitwear, and you're killing two fashion trend birds with one stone with this piece. The knit, very on trend, very high quality. It's not super duper cropped. It's a little bit boxy. If you're gonna wear this, okay. If you are gonna wear this, make sure you wear something a little bit tighter underneath just to kind of tighten things up. The knit pattern on it is really great and it's very soft to the touch. So a very comfortable piece that I'll definitely be wearing a lot this spring. Next, speaking of yellow, I have a couple more yellow pieces for you guys. First one being this bag. I wanted to try out Zara accessory pieces because I actually really haven't tried many of them out. Their trend, again, this spring 2021 season is small handbag. Retails for $39.90. All these prices are Canadian, so just beware if you're watching this in another country. Braids on it adds way more interest to it, and I do like the snake skin kind of texture on it, and I do like the size. Great little accessory just to add to any outfit, adding like a little pop of color in there to make your outfit a bit more interesting. I didn't realize this when I was trying it on, but there's also a little inside strap, so if you want to do like the more like shoulder strap bag, you have that option. Pop this on with like a little dress and go on a date. I like this a lot. Look at me go. I'm not saying the word cute. I'm very proud of myself. The next item I got is this beautiful, I die every time I see this. It's so cute. I love it. This is my new favorite tie-dye long sleeve shirt. I saw this and I was like, yeah, dig this shirt so much because one, it's pink tie-dye. Two, it has NIRVANA all over it. This retails for $39.90. Yes, thank you. And it's a size small. So spring kind of, but also badass. Tie-dye shirts are so cool because pair them with anything. I'm stoked to continue this tie-dye train, jump on it and continue to wear this with every single outfit. The next thing that I got were these sporty shorts. I did not have any yellow colored pieces before this haul, and now I have like 5. I really like these shorts because one, they're yellow. To start like wearing kind of like more sportier shorts like as like an outfit, like the pastel trim with the pink as well. I think it's great. Really comfy on, and I like them because they're a little bit more billowy and they're a little bit more retro, old gym class vibe. Got this in a size small. They were priced at $39.90. Look at this dress in a size small, as you can tell. And this one retails for $59.90. I got this dress because one, the pattern, a mood for sure. Two, the sleeves I just like the sleeves, you know, the little wrists, scrunchy, stretchy type vibe. 3, this belted rope is just, it makes the dress so much, not gonna say it, so much more cool. It is a little bit short for me, but again, I am a giant. I don't know what it is about buttons on dresses, but I think it just can really make it a lot more mature. It's a cute, no, it's not cute, no. Very nice option for a new springtime dress if you are looking for one. I got this bag, so this is the handbag that I got. It is a magnetic little snaps. It's gonna be a little magnet for you. Sailing for $59.90. There's a lot of room in this bag. You just wanna, you know, throw anything in there, you can. A very comfortable bag. Love like the chain on there. Every time I see this bag, I kind of just fall a little bit more in love with it. It is. I just, yes, boom. You can see, even with this, like with the sweats and the sweater, it's fab. Out of the box thinking. I have, like, who has a purse like this? No one. A great accessory. The next thing that I got is actually what I'm wearing right now. I got this in a size medium. This one retails for $29.90. I got it because of the color. It's very, very soft on. I wore it to work actually today, and I just put it on with some jeans. She got a lot of compliments on this one. It is a bit more oversized, which is nice, but again, a bit more cropped. I'm excited to wear this too later on in the summer when I do get a bit more tanned. These next items kind of go together. Matching piece set from Zara. This guy! I got it in a size small. This one was a bit more expensive. It was $49.90. Oversized sweater top. You can wear it by itself, or you can wear it with its sister. Same color, green kind of minty shorts in a size small as well. Retailed for $39.90. I don't usually wear matching sets of things. These shorts are flowy, but they're also kind of like tight fitting around like your thighs area. Actually not the biggest fan of, just because like they kind of just fit kind of weird, to be honest. Same with this top. I wasn't as impressed with these two things just based on like the fit. These pieces could have been made a little bit more flattering. They didn't quite hug in all the right places and felt like uncomfortable wearing them, so I wouldn't really recommend these two actually. I do really, really like the color, but the fit, it could be better. I just think that for the price of both of these things, I didn't find it was worth it. I'm gonna be on the hunt for something in this color for sure, but not these items. They're comfortable, but I just didn't feel comfortable in them. This next item, I was a bit hesitant getting it, kind of stepping outside of the comfort zone. I wanted to do the spring 2021 fashion honor, get a really tight fitting, long, yellow pastel dress in a size small. This retailed for $59.90. It's very long on. There's this little stretchy bit on the side as well. It's stretchy, but holy smokes, it is so tight on. I got this in a size small, and I was like all squeezed on in there. Well, I got this one for $59.90. Don't really know what to think about this one. I tried pairing it up with like a denim jacket. To be honest, I don't know if I would wear it all that often. It's stretchy, yeah, but it's not very comfortable. It is so tight fitting, and it didn't make me feel like super comfortable in it. I don't like this one as much. I like the idea of it. I like the length. Just a couple things need to be tweaked about it. One, I think the material needs to be a little bit looser. Two, it's also a bit see-through. And also, like, this is like $60. Like, I just think that if you're gonna spend 60 bucks, like, it shouldn't be see-through. I'm not gonna recommend this one. Nah, didn't quite like this one. So thank you, Zara, but next. The next thing that I got is this really funky neon green tied crop top. I got this in a size small, and it retails for $39.90. Definitely a going out top. I wouldn't recommend wearing this to the office if you worked in an office. I did like it. With the right pair of high-waisted jeans, this could be a really cute top for spring. So the next thing I got is brown fabric-y wrap button dress. It's hard to explain really in words, as I'm clearly doing right now. I got this one in a size medium. Retails for $59.90. and it buttons in the front. Also has these two little keyholes on the sides here. Now, trying it on, I was kind of let down, but I wasn't very happy with how it looked. It looked pretty like drab on. Like it didn't really do anything. It didn't feel like, ooh yeah, like this is hugging the right places. It felt like it was like hanging on my body as this like brown thing, and it was just like, no. Also, I was kind of confused as to like where I would wear this, because I think the color is great for like more of an office setting. The keyholes makes it a little bit more difficult to wear to a professional setting. I wouldn't wear this out to dinner or something, just like given how it didn't take it to the next level for me, and I wasn't super, I wasn't totally crazy for this one at all. It looks really nice on camera, like I like that shimmer, but in real life, without the light on it, it's very matte and it's very flat. Thank you, but again, next. But next thing I got were these brown shorts. Don't be fooled, these are not real pockets, unfortunately. Now, I got these in a size small. These retail for $49.90. These are actually part of Zara's Join Life collection. High-waisted, kind of pleated, like shorts. These are very soft, a little bit stretchier too, which is great. They are a bit short, for sure. I was wearing them and I was actually kind of surprised by how short they were. Again, I'm very tall, so I understand that things are gonna be very short on me. If you are of normal height, these are probably a great length for you. But if you are taller, just be aware that they may come a little bit short on you. I think they're just really classy. I got another matching set. I got another pair of yellow items. I got some more yellow things for you guys. I got these yellow sweatpants. I got these in a size small. They retail for $39.90. I got these because 1, they're yellow, 2, they're sweatpants, and 3, they looked great on the website. They do have pockets, which is lovely. Love the kind of old school yellow tie in the front. Very comfortable on. To go along with that, I got this matching quarter zip hoodie. This is great. I really liked it because it has the little kangaroo pocket pouch thing on in there. I think that the matching white tie is really adorable. I think this is a great little matching piece set for spring, especially if you know, you're just kind of chilling, following on the 2020 trend, you know, wearing sweatpants and joggers. This definitely fits that. It also hits on the yellow mark, and I liked it for spring. I thought it was a cool kind of jogger piece set that it would be fun to experiment with. There's nothing wrong with color, and that's something I'm really trying out this spring, so hence why you see all the color in this spring haul. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and kind of give you guys a bit of a different vibe. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, inspired and colorful and happy, and I hope I didn't, you know, tire you out with too much yellow. Be sure to subscribe for new videos, give this video a massive thumbs up, and comment down below what you want to see me make next. I'm open to anything and everything, so leave it in the comments below, my friends. Peace out, bye.
Than the rest of